In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a formula in a Smartsheet column. Whether you're new to Smartsheet or looking to enhance your skills, understanding how to work with formulas is crucial for optimizing your sheet's functionality. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To start, navigate to the specific cell where you'd like your formula to be. This is your foundation for automating calculations or data processing in your Smartsheet. Once you've clicked on your chosen cell, you're ready to input your formula. Remember, every formula in Smartsheet begins with an equal sign. This is your signal to Smartsheet that you're entering a formula, not just text or a number. Now, you can proceed to type out the specific formula that meets your requirements, whether it's a basic sum, a complex nested if statement, or a reference from another sheet. Typing it correctly is key to its successful operation. As you type, ensure you're using the correct syntax and referencing the cells accurately. If you're unsure about the exact formula you need, Smartsheet offers a robust library of built-in functions you can explore. Just by clicking on the function button, you get insights and suggestions that can guide your formula crafting process. Once you've typed your formula, hit Enter. If your formula has been entered correctly, Smartsheet will perform the calculation or action you specified, and the result will instantly display in the cell. If you encounter an error message instead, this indicates there's a typo or logical error in your formula. Don't worry, troubleshooting is part of the learning process. Check for common mistakes like mismatched parentheses or incorrect cell references, and update your formula accordingly. Once your formula is error-free, you might want to apply it to an entire column to save time and reduce manual entry errors. Fortunately, Smartsheet allows you to do this effortlessly. Simply drag the small square at the corner of the cell, known as the fill handle, down your column. This action will copy your formula to adjacent cells, adjusting cell references accordingly. If your formula was correctly set up to be dynamic, each cell will now compute its unique result based on its position in the column. And there you go. You've just added a formula to a column in Smartsheet. This is a powerful way to enhance your data management and ensure efficiency in your workflow. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Spend some time getting familiar with different types of formulas and their applications. The more you experiment and explore, the more proficient you'll become in using Smartsheet to its fullest potential. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting!